All right, so what's up, everybody? Today we just hit another major milestone for the channel. Um, as a matter of fact, let me just jump right into it. Let me show y'all. All right, so I'm going to the Webull account today. Well, rather this week we meet the $10,000 goal for the account. So we have crossed the $10,000 threshold. I know that's not a lot, but for those of y'all who are starting from the bottom with me, y'all know how much it means to reach that $10,000 mark. Hopefully we can run this up to 50,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and hopefully you guys can watch us do this um, this entire journey. So, like I said, if you're starting from the bottom with me, if you're at 10,000 or below, now's the time to get in with me. And what I want to show you guys right now is what stocks I actually purchased to get to the 10,000 and which stocks I actually went in to purchase this week. Um, when I'm using the Webull app, just in my opinion, it's a lot easier. It's a lot simpler when you're using the mobile app. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be on the web version, but I will be showing y'all the stocks that I'm about up in the corner of this video. And the picture that I show y'all up in the corner is going to be from the mobile app. So, like I said, we're sitting at $10,000. We're up about 8%, and this is since February of this year. So we're doing pretty decent for the year. Let me show you guys what's actually in the account. Like I said, I'm gonna put this up in the corner so you guys can see the mobile version. And this is the web version right here, which is, like I said, a little bit more complicated. So all together in my portfolio, we have Nike, silver, AMD, GDX, which is a gold junior miner stock, Barrick Mining, which is a mining company for gold, silver, and other precious and rare earth metals, and we have Nukes, which is the nuclear energy and the uranium ETF. So more recently, let's see here is right here on the right when I'm looking at it on the mobile version. I mean, when I'm looking at it on the website version, but as you guys can see for the mobile version, you're able to see the day that you bought it, how much you purchased it for, and a lot more information versus just the cost that you bought it for and how many. So let's see here. I'm going to pull it up on my phone so I can follow along with you guys the way that it is on the mobile version. All right. So on the 10th of June, which was this week, I bought 8 shares of Nukes, which is the nuclear energy ETF. I bought those shares at $52.05. I bought 1 share of the GDXJ, the gold junior miner. Let's see here. I bought 1 share of that at $69.68. I bought 2 shares of Nike at $63.75. Oh, I said not showing. Okay, here it is right here. I went back on the 11th and I bought some more Nukes. I bought 2 shares at $53.04. I went back also and bought more of the GDXJ. I bought 1 share, um, basically spending what was the left of what was in my account, the free cash that I had in there. I spent one, well, I purchased one GDXJ, and I came back later on, almost in the middle of the night, and I purchased a Barrick Mining stock with the remainder of the funds that I had left over. Altogether, I think this week I put in about $850. I'm thinking I'm probably going to do the same thing next month in July, and then I might start slacking up and do a dump around the end of the year, or either whenever I see the markets jump. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or just every week put in a little bit just to give you guys something to see. But I think more than likely I'm going to save up in lump sums and do dumps either over a period of time like I've been doing, or once I see the market drop for one of these stocks a decent bit. I haven't spent too much time touching on it, but I am going to do a video specific to each one of these stocks that I'm holding, explaining why I'm holding it, why I believe in it, and all that. Because anything that I purchase, I do like to have I do like to have things that I can reasons that I can debate for why the stock should be higher in the future, or why I think it's worth holding for later. More recently, with nuclear energy, it's been a lot going on with the government and their policies. More recently, about mining, reopening certain nuclear facilities, reopening certain I guess mining areas, whether it's for platinum, palladium, nuclear, or whatever. So for that reason, I'm trying to invest in nukes. But like I said, I will do a more in depth video on that later. Barrick Mining is one of the major. Barrick Mining is one of the major mining stocks that has not taken off. Their stock hasn't risen the way same way that you see other large cap gold or silver mining stocks do. So I'm trying to plow into this before it rises a lot. Same thing with GDXJ. Junior miners normally rise after the large caps. I don't know the most about junior mining stocks, so I wouldn't say I don't trust myself enough, but I trust myself to know when I don't know certain things. So for that reason, I'm investing in the junior miner ETF versus just picking certain junior miners flat out. But I do think that they will pop potentially after silver finishes up on its run, or it may happen before silver's run done. But normally, silver and junior gold miners rise rather quickly after gold and senior gold miners rise. AMD, silver, Nike. I'm not going to speak on that too tough because I spoke on those in my last stock portfolio insight video. So with that being said, for this week, it's been Nukes, Barrick Mining, and Gold Junior Miners. Let me know what you guys are purchasing. If you want me to answer any questions, leave that down below. I love to have a conversation with you down in the comments. If you enjoyed what you saw in this video, make sure you like. If you're starting from the bottom with us and if you want to save and build up your portfolio while I'm building this up, we can basically do this together. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Every week or at least every time I'm making a purchase, I will be dropping a video related to my purchases. Anytime I see something going on in the market that I see is cool, interesting, or whatnot, or that you guys should be informed on, I like to make a video on that. So with that being said, if you're looking for that, make sure you follow us. Like I said, we've reached the $10,000 goal. My next goal is $15,000 in the account. Hopefully, we can get to 10 to 15,000 subscribers. Hope you guys are one of them. With that being said, I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.